Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. A couple of days ago, I did a video on how to plant a raised herb garden. I mentioned briefly this chicken that my wife makes that uses a lot of those herbs. And I thought, well, let's just rerun that video. So here is that video from a few years ago on how to cook incredibly easy chicken thighs. These are amazing. This is my wife's Rosemary Chicken, and she uses a bunch of things that she collects from our little herb garden out back. So here are the ingredients. Basically 3 to 4 pounds of the chicken thighs, some rosemary, some garlic, some sage, some parsley, a little bit of this and that of what's in the little herb bed that I talked about in the other video. There is a list in the video description that goes through all the ingredients and the cooking instructions, but their cooking instructions are really easy. Basically, you get the chicken, rinse the chicken, get the herbs from the garden, rinse the herbs, and then you take a big old pan. This is a pretty good sized pan, about a 14-inch pan. Throw a little olive oil, crush that garlic, those garlic cloves, and kind of get that nice sauteing. And then you just put the chicken in after it's been rinsed, cover it with all the herbs, add a little black pepper, a little salt, whatever seasoning you like to add. And it takes about 20 to 25 minutes. This is my wife loves doing this chicken when we're kind of in a hurry, don't really have time to do anything fancy, but this is really, really amazing. You flip it about every 2 or 3 minutes, but you want to make sure it's on medium heat, not high heat. One of the cool things about this technique, though, is the aroma is just amazing because you're cooking that rosemary and basil. You're slowly roasting it into the chicken, and you actually, because you're cooking the rosemary, you can actually eat the rosemary too, but it's just kind of an amazing dish. She likes to serve this with a little bit of rice, a little bit of broccoli. It just has the most amazing seasoning. So it's a really easy recipe. Definitely try this next time you're out there. You can also obviously do this with different kinds of chicken. You can also do it with chicken breasts, any of those kind of things. So again, the ingredients and instructions are in the video description and the comment section in case you couldn't quite keep up because I'm going pretty quick. But this is it. Really easy rosemary chicken thighs. Really fabulous. Big thank you to my wife for showing me how to do this. Oh my God, she's such a wonderful cook. I am such a lucky, lucky man. Well, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. And we will get back to the gardening stuff next time. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.